Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva to make our designs more interactive and engaging. Adding videos to Canva is a great way to enhance presentations, websites, or social media designs with rich media content. Now, here is our Canva project. We start by opening a new tab and going to YouTube. Once we're there, we click on the video we want to add. For example, this video about setting up an online store with managed WooCommerce hostinger. Now we just need to copy the URL by highlighting it and copying it. Then we go back to our Canva project. We simply right-click and select Paste. As we can see, the embedded video is now sitting right in our Canva project. We can resize it and place it wherever we like. And that's how we embed a YouTube video in Canva in just a few simple steps. Our designs are now more dynamic and ready to grab our audience's attention.